Well, welcome to Gardener's Cottage here in Blakeney. We're going to take you on a guided tour, an evening tour of the cottage. We're filming this just before Christmas and the cottage is decorated for the Christmas guests about to arrive. The entrance to the cottage is decorated with these little lights that we've put in the twisted bays that just give a nice entrance approach. And for a Christmas feel, we've got some white Christmas roses flying away in the mirror just to the entrance of the cottage. So let's take you inside the cottage and show you around. We're going to film this by lamplight. Main entrance to the cottage brings you through into the lounge. Small Christmas tree just in the corner. It's completely dark here now at 4:30 in the afternoon. Lamps give this room a lovely warm glow in winter. This is just a flying visit, so unfortunately the log burner is not roaring at this time, but I'm sure you can imagine with the logs provided just what a lovely glow you'll get from this room with the log burner going. Coming through into the kitchen now. Another small little Christmas tree. We do tend to keep the Christmas decorations to quite a minimum here, because you never know with guests coming away for Christmas whether they're coming for Christmas or to escape Christmas. And we don't put a large Christmas tree up in this, which is usually used as the main entertaining space. We'll show you the one we do provide, but we leave that boxed until the guests arrive to give them the option. For many people, Christmas isn't Christmas without a real Christmas tree, and over the years we've learnt that a lot of people do book for a Christmas tree to be delivered or buy one locally when they get down into Norfolk. So we provide decorations, we provide an artificial tree, but we leave it up to the guests to decide whether they put that in place or not. Just looking back into the courtyard here with the external lights on, just shows what a nice entertaining space this is. If the weather's good enough for you to go outside, then you certainly can do and meet people socially distanced for drinks in the courtyard. I should give you a quick little tour of the downstairs with all the lamps set. Coming back into the hall now, going through into the rear double bedroom with its twin lamps. This is where we keep the Christmas tree for guests to use. It's just there, look, in the utility room with a big box of decorations. So if they do want an artificial tree anywhere in the house, they've got the option to set that one up on arrival. Just go back into the four-poster bedroom on the downstairs. So lovely room in the evenings, particularly with the twin bedsides on, without any of the halogens. There's a set of lights set into the eaves of the house, which you can put on, and that gives you this marvellous green illuminated aspect on that Banks Lutia rose. This is looking back out through the window in the utility room door across the courtyard, again giving you an idea of the external lighting that we've got in the courtyard over winter. This is a view from the main ensuite master bedroom looking out towards the birches, which is nicely illuminated in the evenings, and the bedroom itself in the evenings with the lamps on, again beautifully warm and well lit room. Not going to go into the bathrooms now, just going to continue through the landing into the small rear garden facing room, again with the lamps on. Lovely warm feeling in these rooms, and through now into the last upstairs room, again with the twin bedsides on, that huge painted pine bed. And if I just twist round to give you the view back along the corridor and to the two singles tucked under the eaves in this room. Just give you a quick view out the window. This is a view looking down into the courtyard with the lights on at night, and across the car park on the high street, looking towards the very last of the sun's setting light in the west over the quay down at Blakeney. So I hope you've enjoyed this winter tour of Gardeners. We're looking forward to having some guests here over the Christmas break, and I hope they enjoy their stay here and all that this house has to offer.